everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today we have a business-to-business PS5 HDMI port replacement. They were kind of unsure of whether it was going to be the HDMI port or not. I let them know that it's a very common issue, obviously, and I more importantly let them know that even if the port looks good, it's often still bad on the inside. People like to unfortunately leave the cord, the HDMI cord plugged in to the port, and then they wrap it around the system and throw it in their backpack or put it in their trunk or whatnot, and it just takes one little bump and then there goes your HDMI port. But anyhow, I've got the port prepped, I got her cleaned out. Let's go ahead and get this port off so we can get these folks back to gaming with a brand new HDMI port. Alright, luckily no torn pads, so let's go ahead and clean up the old SATA, get some new SATA, and get the new port on and get it back to gaming. That didn't want to take. So release that one. All right, let's get these posts secured. Final outcome on the posts, and that is the outcome on the pins. Let's go ahead and bolt it up and test, but not before we take care of this displacement. Pretty gnarly displacement. Much better. Much better. Alright, we are back in action. Be sure that you smash that like button, drop a comment. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe. New videos dropped every Sunday. Be sure to hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos. And thanks again for tuning in.